Welcome back. Now, India's regulatory body for pharmaceuticals has now ordered an investigation after the World Health Organization has issued an alert red flagging at least 4 of those cough syrups that have been manufactured in India.
The WHO warning comes after the death of 66 children in the West African nation of the Gambia due to acute kidney injuries. Now, the 4 medicines that have been red flagged by the WHO are promethazine oral solution, Kofexamalin cough syrup, makeoff syrup and Magrip and cold syrup, all manufactured by a firm based in Haryana called Pharmaceuticals Limited.
Straight away going across to Madhav. Now, Madhav, what exactly does the WHO report say and how it is being linked to cough syrups that are manufactured in India?
Well, WHO has been very clear. It has issued this warning in relation to these 4 medical formulations which are used very often for infants and small children as far as treatment of cough is concerned. And very clearly the fact that there have been so many incidents that have taken place in Gambia has really triggered the WHO, in fact leading to further fears as to what is going to happen now in India, given that WHO has issued this kind of an alert. And this is not something that happens on a regular basis. Remember that all medical formulations have very specific criteria and high standards in which they are supposed to be manufactured, and if there is any lapse found as far as this particular medication is concerned, of course it's perhaps too early to say what the exact reasons are for this kind of an incident occurring and whether it is directly linked to this one particular manufacturing facility or not. All of this of course will have to be looked into, but what will happen as far as authorities here in India is also a very important question, given that medicines which are originating here in India, Haryana to be specific, as you rightly said, are causing this kind of incidents or are likely to have caused this kind of series of incidents amongst different patients as far away as in Gambia.
Right. Thank you very much, Madhav, for getting us the details. With that, we are also slipping into a very short break, but news and updates will continue. Stay on with us.